Yes, good morning second class children. Are you all ready for the class? Okay. So, yesterday have you done the work which I had sent in the message? Yes, I had sent the notes in the message yesterday, isn't it? So, please copy down the notes in your science class of notebook. Don't waste your time. Now, whichever the exercise I am giving on the board, you have to listen and go for your oral drilling practice. Only whenever if I am giving on the board any notes, that is only for the purpose of what? Oral drilling practice. Okay children. Now you can copy down very neatly in the science classroom. Now get ready. Which lesson now we are in? Lesson number 6. What is the name of the lesson? Food and health. Okay. Now get ready. Give two examples. What is that? Give two examples. Now get ready for to start. Okay. Two energy giving food. Two energy giving food. Two energy giving food. What are they? Anything, any two you can say nana. Two energy giving food. What are they? Butter, bread, isn't it? Now next sugar, chapati, rice, anything you can write. Now get ready for two energy. Bread and butter. Bread and butter. Okay. Now get ready for number 2. Two body building food. Two body building food. What is that? Milk and egg. Two body building food is milk and egg. MILK, milk, comma, egg. Okay. The next one. Two protective food. Two protective apple and carrot. One fruit, one vegetable. Okay. Two protective food. What is that? You can write carrot, and another one is any fruit name. Okay, apple. Is it clear children? The next one. Two junk food. What is that? Two junk food. What are the two junk food? Yes. Pizza, burger or chips. You can write any two. Pizza, burger. Okay. BURGER. Burger. Is it clear children? Now come on, say all of you. Get ready for the oral drilling practice. Then I will give two more exercise. Okay. Now get ready. Give two examples. What is the name of this exercise? Give two examples. Two energy giving food. What are they? Bread and butter. Two body building food. What is that? Milk and egg. Two body building food is milk and egg. Two energy giving food is bread. Spell the word of bread. 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 Spell the word of butter. 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 Next one. Two body building food. What are they? Milk and egg. MILK. Milk. EGG. Egg. Two protective food. What are they? Carrot, apple. Carrot, apple. Spell the word of carrot. Yes. CARROT. Spell the word of apple. APPLE. Two junk food. Spell the word of pizza. PIZZA. And burger. 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 Okay. Come on, say once again. Two energy giving food. Bread, butter. Bread, butter. Two body building food. Milk, egg. Milk, egg. Two protective food. Carrot, apple. Two junk food. Pizza, burger. Get ready for the next one. Two healthy habits. What is that? Two healthy habits. one, write down 2 healthy habits. You can write any 2 healthy habits. Two healthy habits. What are they? First one, trim your nails regularly. Trim your nails regularly. Spell the word of regularly. R-E-G-U-L-A-R-L-Y. Regularly. Okay. Second point. Always eat fresh and clean food. Always eat fresh and clean food. Always eat fresh and clean food. Okay. Is it clear, children? So you should have to write like this. Next one. Sixth one. Yes, this is enough for you. How many I gave teacher for you? Now I gave for you 5, isn't it? This is enough for give 2 examples. So 2 healthy habits is trim your nails regularly. Always eat fresh and clean food. Always you should eat what? Fresh and clean food. Okay, children. Now copy down this thing. So we have done 2 energy giving food, 2 body building food, 2 protective food and 2 junk food, 2 healthy habits. Okay. You can write other 2 points if, as like your whatever you like. Wash fruits and vegetables. Okay. Before using. You can write some by your own also. మీరు కూడా మీ సొంతంగా వేరే ఏదైనా healthy habits కూడా మీరు రాయొచ్చు. Okay. Now what teacher had written on the board, trim your nails regularly, always eat fresh and clean food. Okay. And drink lots of water. It's also a healthy habit, isn't it? So that type of you can write the sentences. Okay, children. Now get ready for the next one. That is, you should write 2 good habits and 2 bad habits. Okay. What we should have to write now? Yes, copy down the. You should write down any 2 food habits. Okay. What is the bad habits? What are the bad habits you should have to write? The next one. Now listen here. This is a small homework for you all. Try to do it. Write down. This is a small homework. Try to write. Tomorrow I will give you this answer for you all. Right. By your own you try to write. Okay. Write down any 2 food habits. 2 food habits. What are they? Which habits? Okay. You should have to write good habits. Good habits. You make the 2 column, children. Good habits. Write here one and another one, second one. Bad habits. Try to write. Okay, this is small homework for you, children. Make it as a homework now and write down. You can write by your own any 2 good habits and bad habit. This is a homework for you all. Okay, children. Write down any 2 food habits. Write any 2 good habits and write any 2 bad habits. Is it clear, second class children? This is the homework. You can write any good habits too. As like you. Whatever you want to write, you write. But it should be correct. It should has to be, you have mentioned to what good habits. Whenever you are writing, you should have to write any 2 bad habits. Okay. So I think this class is very clear for you. So tomorrow I'll give the question answers. Okay. So today this class session is completed, and get ready for the tomorrow class. And please children, once again I'll tell you before I end my session, whatever I am sending in the text message, please copy it out. నేను మెసేజ్లో పంపించిన నోట్స్ అన్నీ మీరు అందరు చక్కగా క్లాస్ వర్క్లో కాపీ చేసుకోండి. అర్థమైందా? ఇప్పుడు మీ దగ్గరకు ఉండి నోట్స్ దగ్గరకు ఉన్నప్పుడు మీరు చక్కగా మిస్టేక్స్ లేకుండా కాపీ చేసుకోండి. You have to do it. Okay, without any mistake you have to copy down. Okay children, is it clear now? So I hope my children will do it perfectly and they'll show me the performance. Okay, thank you children.